Good evening, guys. So this is nothing but our official Zoom link. So till our batch ends, this link will be there. Okay. So let me start our session and we will practice the programs related to this. Okay. So what is the first problem that we are going to discuss here is nothing but sir, LBP number 5. Okay. LBP number 5. Sir, what is this problem and what this problem is going to demonstrate for us? Sir, very simple. Return the next number from the given integer passed. Sir, whatever integer you have passed, in that you have to return next value. That is nothing but we need to get incremented version. Beyond that, nothing is there. 1 minute. Yeah. So return the next integer that we have passed. Okay, we are going to give an integer value n and you have to return the next integer value. Okay, suppose if I'm giving input as a 4, then you need to get 5. Suppose if I'm giving 10, then you need to get 11. Like this you need to implement the program. Sir, let me see the problem statement first and we will discuss in detail about this. Okay, sir, here what is the logic behind this? Very simple, sir. Just we have to return n plus 1. Beyond that, nothing is there. We have to return which value, sir? N plus 1, or you can take n plus plus. Okay, you can take either n plus plus or n plus 1. Anything you have to return. Okay, sir, I will explain with the help of a paint first. Sir, just have a look once. Suppose if you have a number like this. Okay, so what you have to return? What is the logic here? You need to read a number, you have to return n plus 1. Okay, or you can return n plus plus. Sir, don't return n plus plus because sir, it is post increment. So after this you have to print, or you can go with plus plus n, which is called as pre-increment. Anything you can use. All these are nothing but use it to increment its value by 1 unit. And one important note is nothing but, sir, won't to provide python sir won't to provide support for increment and decrement operators. It won't provide any support for increment and then decrement operators. Sir, hence you have to do it manually. Now let me open the programming challenge and then we will implement. Sir, let me go for C language implementation for this problem. Sir, how to solve this problem in C? Already we have our own link is there. Let me select that own link. Okay, yeah, enter the contest. So because already I have signed up, that's why we are getting like this. And you can see leaderboard positions. Okay, yeah, almost 3 members are logged in already. Some people are doing the programs. Excellent. So I need to see all of you here. Okay, then only you can able to learn something. Parallelly also you can try. Okay, sir, 1 2 3 4 problems we have solved. Now I need to go for fifth problem. Let me solve this challenge. What is this problem, sir? Implement a program that takes a number as an argument, increment that number value by +1 and return the result. So very simple, right? Let me select C language here. How to implement this? Sir, first step is nothing but I am declaring an integer value n from the user. I am declaring an integer value n from the user. Sir, what is your next step? Sir, you have to read the value of the user, value from the user. Ampersand n. I have taken n value. Sir, okay, everything is clear. Now, after accepting the value of n, sir, you need to print the result, right? So you have to print the result. That means you have to calculate the result. So what is our logic, sir? N plus plus, right? So just we have to take n plus plus, and after this you need to print the value of n. That's all. Sir, automatically its value got incremented and it will print. Let me check whether it is working properly or not. Sir, yes, you can see, sir, both the test cases are executed. Let me submit the code. Sir, is it going to verify or not? We will check. Sir, you can see all the test cases are verified. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem. C language implementation. Sir, I want to do this problem in Java implementation. Okay. I want to solve this problem in Java. Sir, in Java, how you can solve this problem? Very simple, sir. Just we have to read the input. We know how to read the input. Scanner obj is equal to scanner obj is equal to, sir, new scanner of, within bracket I am taking system.in. Okay, sir, I accepted input. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int we have to take. Yes, I accepted integer. Here itself you can print. Sir, don't print n plus plus, because you know very well it is called as post increment. Post increment means what? First it will print the data. What is the data? N. First it will print the value of n, then only it is going to increment its value by 1 unit. But that is not our case, right? First we have to increment and then we have to print. Okay, then, sir, now in the place of this we have to take a plus plus n, and let me run the code. Sir, first let me finish my explanation, then you can ask your queries. So submit the code. Sir, you can see all the test cases are cleared. This is nothing but how you can able to solve in Java, sir. I want to solve the problem in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can solve this problem in Python? Very easy, sir. Let me go with Python implementation. And here n is equal to, I am taking int of input. Okay. Sir, now n is equal to n plus 1. And I am going to print the value of n. That's all. Only 3 lines. Sir, let me run. Sir, is there any shortcut? Yes, sir. Sir, here in the place of n is equal to n plus 1 also, you can take n plus 1. Is it going to work or not? Yes. Sir, now how many times we are using n? Only one time. So I told, right, we can take like this also. Yes, that will be sufficient. Let me run. Is it working or not? Perfect. Let us submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are cleared. This is the way how you can able to solve this logic based programming number 5, which is nothing but return the next number from the integer which we have passed. Now let us see leaderboard positions. Sir, is my name is there or not? Yes, very good. I got 1 point. Sir, someone is solving. Okay, someone is solving. They are trying to do the programs. Very good, excellent, sir. Good startup. Okay, sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Clear, right? Yeah, we can use Rakesh, no problem. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Sai Durga Prasad, if you write n plus plus, whatever number you have given, the same number you will get. Okay. Whatever number you have given, the same number you will get it. Okay. Yeah. And so I think only 5 challenges are there, right? Let me add some challenges into our batch. LBP number 6. 1 minute, sir. Please wait. LBP number 6. The screen is paused. LBP number 7. LBP number 8. So LBP 9. LBP 10, LBP 11, LBP 12, LBP 13, LBP 14, LBP 15. Sir, I added total 15 challenges, sir. It will be there in our links. Okay, you can verify now. It will be there. So up to 5 challenges we have seen, remaining things also there. Okay, up to 5 challenges we have seen. So remaining things also there here. Okay, I am always confused in post and pre-increment. Any logic to remember when we have to use pre, when we have to use post increment? Very simple, Ahmad. Pre-increment in the sense first increment operation and then usage of that one. So post increment in the sense first use the value and then increment. Okay, difference is there. Okay, yeah. Sir, fine. Let me go for the next one. What we are going to discuss here is nothing but LBP number 6. Okay. Simultaneously, I'm going to refresh the leaderboard. Sir, I request everyone, if you are attending with the help of laptop, please try to solve simultaneously. Sir, I am taking this LBP 5 and LBP 6, sir, in a single page. I am taking LBP 5 and then LBP 6 in a single page. Okay. Sir, what is this LBP 6 problem? Which is nothing but, have a look once because it is the easy problem. Sir, free coffee cups. Okay, what is this problem, sir? Free coffee cups. Sir, if you read the statement, then you will get the clarity. Sir, for each coffee cup, okay, for each of the 6 coffee cups which I am going to purchase, I will get 7th cup as a free. So that total how many cups I will get? 7. So implement a program that takes n cups bought and print an integer that the total number of cups which I have in my hand. So for every 6 cups, if you purchase 1 extra cup, you are going to get. That means if you purchase 7 copies, sir, for 6 we will get 1. Already 7 is there in your hand. Total 8 cups you will be having. Suppose if you are purchasing 12 coffees, then extra 2 coffees you are going to get. Have you observed? This is nothing but the logic. Observe carefully. If 13 is nothing but your result, already 13 coffee cups are there. Plus for every 6, 1 extra coffee cup you are going to get. Sir, how many 6s are there in 13? We have 2 6s are there, right? That's why, sir, 13 plus 2, 15. Like this we have to get. Let me write the logic here. Sir, if n is equal to 1, then output is nothing but 1. So if n is equal to 2, then output is nothing but 2. If n is equal to 3, output is nothing but 3. If n is equal to 4, output is nothing but 4. If n is equal to 5, sir, output is nothing but 5. If n is equal to 6, sir, output is nothing but 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. If n is equal to 7, 7 plus 1, because already 1 coffee cup is carried out. Now, if n is equal to 12, what will happen? If n is equal to 12, what will happen? Sir, we are going to get 12 plus 12 by 2, which is nothing but 6. 12 plus, sorry, yeah, 12 by 2, like this. Now, sir, if I am getting n is equal to 13, what will happen? Sir, 13 plus, sir, 13 by 6. Sir, 13 plus 13 by 6 is nothing but 2 only. So that we will get 15. So finally, what I am trying to explain for you people is nothing but, sir, the formula for this is nothing but, sir, n plus n by, sir, 6 is nothing but the formula. Okay, sir, this is nothing but the formula what we have to implement for this purpose. Hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts on this logic? Please confirm. Fine. Let me go for implementation of this problem, sir. Let me go for implementation of this problem, sir. Now, I'm taking first C language. I'm taking first C language. So what is the input here? First, we have to read integer value n. Okay, first we have to read integer value n. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. So we have to printf percentage d comma, sir, n plus n by 6 we have to take, n plus n by 6 we have to take. That's all. Automatically you will get the result. Okay, let me run the code. Is it going to work for sample test cases or not? Yes, it is working. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. This is the way how we are going to get in which implementation, sir? I implemented in C language. Okay, I implemented the problem in C language. Sir, I want to go for Java implementation. So if you go for Java implementation, let us see how we are going to do in Java. Sir, how you can able to take it in Java? Have a look once. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner we have to take within bracket, sir, system dot in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. We are reading the value of n from the user. Sir, once if the value of n is accepted, then what is our next duty? Sir, system dot out dot println of n plus n by 6 is the formula. Let me run the code. Yes, both the test cases are satisfied. And let us submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. This is the way, sir, how you can able to provide implementation in Java. Let me go for Python implementation. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Sir, very dangerous programming language and very easy. Observe carefully. Sir, I am taking print of n plus n by 6. Don't take like this, because in Python, okay, in Python, if you take a 5 by 2, it is going to return 2 in C language, in C++, in Java. But if you take a same program in Python, so if you take 5 by 2, then what answer it is going to return is nothing but 2.5. Remember carefully, in Python, if you take division like this, then you are going to get 2.5. Sir, I don't want 2.5. I want to 2. Better to go for, sir, 5 double slash of 2. Then what will happen? We will get 2. This is nothing but the logic that you need to observe clearly. Okay. Sir, now what we have to do? Sir, let me run up to this. Okay. We can see what things are happening. Sir, have you observed here? 13. Sir, I mean, expected answer is 15, but we are getting 15 point something like this. So what we have to do? Double slash you have to take. Then exactly you are going to get integer result. And submit the code. Sir, all the test cases are clear. This is the way, sir, how you can able to provide implementation in Python for this problem. Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm.
Sorry, can you repeat the problem again? Actually, I got disconnected with them.
Yeah. Sir, the title of the program is nothing but free coffee cups. For each 6 coffee cups which you are going to purchase, then you are going to get a 7th cup free. That means if you purchase 6 cups, one extra cup they are giving, something like buy two get one free, like that option. Suppose assume buy two get one free option is there. If you purchase 4 items, how many extra items you are going to get? 2 items, because for every 2 products they are giving 1 product free. In the same way here, for every 6 coffee cups, extra one we are going to get. That means original how many cups you have bought, same thing will be there, plus additionally, so divided by 6. That means how many sixes are there, you need to identify. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Means if I will buy 14 cup of coffee, then I
uh,
will get, see, if I will buy 14 coffee, then I will get 2 coffee extra, right? Yes,
14 plus 2, yes.
correct. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sir, clear? Please confirm. Clear? Shall we go for next problem? Shall we go for next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How you made the formula? Sir, what formula is there? Very simple, sir, here. Okay. Yeah, let me go for the next problem. So because see, very simple, sir, here. Buy two, get one free. Listen carefully. Buy two, get one free. Okay. Sir, if you purchase 5 items, definitely that person is going to tell, sir, please purchase one more item so that you will get free. Because even number means one extra item you are going to get. So 5 items you have, but 5 by 2. That means for every 2 items, one extra item you are getting. So 5 plus 5 by 2 value is what? Sir, 2, which is nothing but 7 items you are going to get. Sir, 2 items, one extra item. Again, for 2 items, one extra item. For one item, you won't get any extra. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 3, 6, plus 1, 7, like this. Clear? Gaurav, you are my old student, right?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. So LBP number 7, a new problem. What is this problem, sir? Sir, extract digits from the given number. Sir, they are going to give the number. We have to extract digits. Implement a program to extract digits from the given number. Okay. Sir, we have to do this operation. LBP 5 and then 6. Let me save it as LBP 5 and 6. Yeah, sir, have a look once. Sir, logic, if you understand, sir, again, I'm telling, I will explain this problem for a minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Listen carefully. Sir, once if you got clarity in this problem, then rest of the things will become very easy. Because in our logic-based programming, out of 350 programs, sir, minimum, we are going to get this particular problem. Sir, maximum 50 to 60 times we are going to get. That means at any cost you are going to use this one. That's why remember carefully. So you have to understand this logic very clearly, sir. What is this logic? Sir, extract digits from the number. Sir, we have a number is there. For example, assume the number which we have is 123. Sir, from this we have to extract digits. Sir, in digits means there are two ways are there. One is nothing but 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is one style. Sir, what is another style? You can extract 3 to 1 in this style. But programmers never follow this approach. we are going to follow only this approach. Sir, why we are going to follow this approach? Very simple. It is there in unit position. It is there in tens position. Sir, it is there in, sir, 100th position. Right? Sir, we are going to move according to in this order. That is the reason, sir, why the programmers are going to get data like this. Some people, some students are asking innocently, sir, this is not I want. Sir, I need to get in this order. Sir, nothing we can do. Everything is possible. Just we have to reverse this. So if you reverse, what will happen? We will get 321. Then you can extract. So that what will happen? You will get 1, 2, 3, right? That's all. So, but how you can able to do this job? Sir, for this, we have to follow one standard algorithm. Sir, here, what is the base of the decimal system? The base of the decimal system is nothing but 10. We have the digits from 0 to 9. That's why, sir, we are multiplying 10 power 0, 10 power 1. Okay, sir, 10 power 2. Like this, we are going to get. Sir, now let us see how I am going to write logic for this. Okay, observe carefully. I am writing logic here. Sir, while we have to take while loop because I don't know how many numbers will be there. How many digits will be there in this particular number? I don't know. That's why, sir, we have to take while loop. We have to take while loop. Sir, after this while, sir, n is not equal to 0. The number which you have given, sir, it should not be not equal, it should not be equal to 0. Then what is your next operation? Okay, 1 minute. Yes, sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, what is the next step that we have to do? Sir, you need to calculate some formula. What is a formula? Is nothing but digit is equal to n percentage 10. Okay, sir, next and after that, you have to print the value of d. Then you need to do n is equal to n by 10. Sir, this process you have to repeat continuously so that we will get all the digits present in the number. Sir, why? Let me take one simple example so that you people will get some clarity. What is that example that I'm going to take here for you people is, let me take n is equal to 123. Same example I am taking, or let me change the number to, sir, 179. Okay, 1793, like this I am taking. Sir, d is equal to, first time, is the value of n is equal to 0, sir? No, it is not equal to 0. Sir, that means loop is satisfied. So what is the first formula? D is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, d is equal to, divide the value of this n with the percentage 10. Sir, if you divide 1793, sir, with the percentage 10, what will happen? Sir, 10 179s are, sir, 1790 we will get. Okay, 1790 we will get. What is the remainder, sir? 3, which is nothing but the last digit, right? Yes. Okay. Then, sir, what will happen? We need to print this value. So 3 will be printed on the screen. Very good. Next, n is equal to, sir, I am taking n by 10. So n by 10 means this one only, right? 179. We are going to get this 179. Perfect. With this, first iteration got completed. What is the second iteration? Because it is the loop, one more time it is going to run, sir. Because it is the loop, it will run one more time. Sir, what will happen now? Sir, I am going to take the next number as a 179. Sir, is this 179 is equal to 0? No. Sir, loop condition satisfied. It will enter into the loop. What is the value of d? Sir, d will become, sir, 179 modulo division 17. Sorry, modulo division 10 means what? Sir, 10 17s 170. What is the remainder that you are going to get? 9. Print that digit. Then your n value will become 17 because you have observed here, right? That's all. This is nothing but second iteration. Sir, what is the next iteration? The value of n is now 17. So is it equal to 0? No. Condition satisfied. What is the last digit that you are going to get? 7. Because if you divide 17 with 10, sir, 10 once 7, 10. So remainder is nothing but 7. Sir, Now the value of n will become 1. So with this we got 7 and here we got 9. Fine. Now what is the last case? Sir, now n is equal to 1. Condition satisfied, which is not equal to 0. Sir, digit. So we have to divide that 1 with 10. Sir, what will happen? 10 zeros 0, remainder is nothing but 1. Sir, digit is 1. N will become 0, sir. Sir, that digit we have to print. Next, last iteration, n is equal to 0. Sir, we have to do this operation when n is not equal to 0. But here n is equal to 0, right? Sir, immediately the loop is going to terminated. What values we printed? Sir, we printed 3, we printed 9, we printed 7, we printed 1. Sir, these are digits or not? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to solve. Sir, I think my this 10 minutes explanation is very clear for you people. Please confirm, sir. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I request every student to please respond. Enjoying the class, of course. Yeah. So this is nothing but what we have. Now you need to construct this into a beautiful, what you can call program. Beyond that, nothing. Sir, LBP7, let me save this diagram. It will be useful for you for the reference. Sushant, please don't draw on the screen. Yeah. Sir, let me go over C language implementation. C language implementation. Sir, I am solving the problem by using C language, sir. So how you can able to solve this? Let us see leaderboard positions. Anyone is doing the programs? No. Okay, let me take program number 7. Yes, sir, space separated values we have to print. Already we have seen this. Sir, now the first thing what we have to do here is integer n we have to read. Then digit you need to calculate, right? That's why, sir, I am taking D. Integer n comma digit we have to calculate. That's why D I am taking. Next step is what? Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir. Okay, the value of n is not equal to 0. Of course it is not equal to 0, but before that we have to read the input, right? Without taking food, I mean without getting chicken pieces. So how to prepare chicken biryani? So first we need to get the chicken pieces, then you can prepare biryani, right? So I got the input. Fine. Now what is your requirement? Sir, extract the digit. D is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, we need to print the value. Sir, printf percentage D space they are expecting. That means after printing the value, you need to give space. Printf percentage D followed by space comma. I am printing the value of D. Now n is equal to n by 10. That's all, program completed. Let me run. Sir, worked. And let us submit the code. Sir, you can see all the test cases are satisfied. This is the way, sir, how you can able to print in C language. Sir, I want to go for Java implementation. Okay, I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java, sir? Same problem, same logic. Okay, only input and output statements are going to be changed. Sir, scanner obj is equal to new scanner of sir, I am taking system dot in. New scanner of I am taking system dot in. Sir, integer n is equal to obj dot next int you have to take. Integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int you have to take. Sir, additionally we required one more variable, right? What is that variable, sir? D. So what is the logic? Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0. While the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, d is equal to n percentage 10 I am taking. Then, sir, system dot out dot, don't use println. First, let me try by using println. What will happen? You can see later we can modify. Sir, let me run the code. Sir, println functionality is nothing but after printing the data, it will transfer the control to the next line, sir. After printing the data, it will transfer the control to the next line. Sir, that's why we are getting output like this. Sir, don't use println. Print, use print, sir, plus separated by space, because additionally space must be required for that purpose. Yes, both test cases are working. Now let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, have you observed all the test cases are cleared? This is nothing but how you can able to provide implementation in Java programming, sir. Now,
Actually, I have one doubt here.
sir, what is your doubt?
Sir, instead of you are writing the code in the main method, can I call, can I write the code in different method? Can I call in the main method?
Yeah, no problem. You can do.
It will work, sir, right?
Yeah, it will work. You can define any method, you can write and you can return.
Okay, sir.
Sir, now let me go for Python implementation. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Sir, very simple. Let me take this and choose Python as a programming. N is equal to int of input I am taking. Okay. Sir, while n is not equal to 0. Observe the syntaxes. So while n is not equal to 0, d is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, maybe you have observed variable declaration is not there in Python. No need to declare any variable, because, sir, at the first time of usage, automatically it will decide, sir. Sir, next thing, so print of I am taking d, comma, sir, separation is equal to I required space. Then n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. Sir, don't take n by 10, because we know, right, n by 10 will result floating point value. First, let me run. Sir, have you observed some floating point numbers? A big number we are getting, keep on. Okay, sir, which is not recommended. So what we have to do? You have to take /10. Now what will happen? Let me run the code. Yeah. Sir, you can see, sir, all the test cases are cleared. All the test cases are cleared, right? Sir, let me, 1 minute. Here, sir, not separation, end is equal to, because after printing D, don't go for next line, keep stay in the same line. That's what I'm giving here. End attribute. Yes, and let us submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Is everything is clear for you? Please confirm.
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Instead of using while loop, can we consider it as a string and do? Will that bring any performance advantages, or it's the same?
No, sir. Same thing only. Yes. Yeah. So this is nothing but today's session. Okay. Sir, hope you have enjoyed the session. It seems. I will up 1 minute.